Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the structure of cotton. As we know, it is the king of textiles. Each cotton fiber is formed by the elongation of a single cell from the surface of the seed, made up of 20 or 30 layers of cellulose coiled in a neat series of natural springs. Because they are made up of a single cell, the longest fibers are the thinnest, unlike wool. Fiber consists of cellulosic spiral rings, also known as fibrils. Cellulose molecules are arranged in bundles or fibrils which are laid in spiral form. The cotton ball is opened, the fibers dry into flat, twisted, ribbon-like shape and become kinked together and interlocked. This interlocked form is ideal for spinning into a fiber yarn. Cotton is the natural fiber of a vegetable origin. It is considered as the king of textile fibers. It is one of the main constituent of cotton fiber. Uh, each fiber is made up of 20 to 30 layers of cellulose coiled on a neat series of natural springs. The cellulose is arranged in a way that gives cotton fiber high strength, durability and absorbance. When two glucose combine, cellulose molecule is formed, and since cellulose molecules combine with each other, the giant cellulose molecule, that is the polymer, is formed. The cellulose units are linked together by means of strong oxygen bridge lengthwise. Also by comparatively weak forces sideways, areas where crystalline the forces are operating or crystalline region are formed, and the places where the forces are not operating, amorphous region is formed. So in that sense, the outermost cell wall, which is composed of the cuticle and the primary wall. The cuticle is a thin layer of waxes and pectins which covers the primary wall, consisting of microfibrils of cellulose. These microfibrils are arranged into a network of spirals with a right and left hand orientation. The secondary wall is composed of several concentric layers of microfibrils which periodically change their uh, natural orientation with respect to the fiber axis. The collapsed central hollow is lumen, consisting of dried remains of cell, nucleus and protoplasm. In longitudinal view, cotton fiber is readily recognizable by its characteristic twisted structure. When you look into the properties of cotton fiber, they can have large variation depending on the botanical group of the cotton from which the fiber is obtained, the soil in which the plant is cultivated, the climate and the weather conditions, farming practices, many other factors will influence the property of the particular cotton fiber. The fineness of the cotton fiber can be defined by its linear density, which is typically between 0.13 to 0.21 tex. Cotton belongs to the Gossypium hirsutum species, cultivated in more than 50 countries around the world, among which the majority of growing areas are in developing countries. Cotton fiber is a highly renowned seed fiber for apparel, home furnishing and industrial applications. Cotton fibers are considered as the purest form of cellulose with around 90% cellulose content in it. These fibers are also known as breathable and absorbent fibers due to the hollow nature of the fiber. The cross section of the cotton fiber exhibit the shape akin to beans, which is becoming which becomes circular upon absorption of water. Cotton fibers have the inherent capacity to hold water up to 24 to 27 times their weight. The length of cotton fibers generally ranges from 20 to 32 nanometer with a micronair value of between 3.5 to 5.5. Nowadays, organic cotton is also being cultivated without the use of chemicals or fertilizers to preserve soil fertility and the environment. Cotton fiber is one of the very important natural textile fiber of plant origin and accounts for about one-third of the total world production of textile fiber. And hence, cotton fiber contains They contain 90 to 95% cellulose, which is an organic compound, and the cotton fibers also contain waxes, pectin, organic acids, and inorganic substances which produce ash when it is burnt in fire. So, in that sense, cotton is a very good natural fiber. It's a linear polymer. So, hence, because of its properties, it is very much appreciated and it is being used. Thank you.